another labada day, pero mag-snack muna tayo. Snack muna before labada, guys.
Sana all may snacks.
Yeah. Kanina. Bakit? Your pants. Hmm? Loud na yun, guys.
Sponsor ba yan?
Maybe. Mamaya mo na.
Ha?
Mamaya mo na snack.
Pwede mo na i-diretsod siya, no? Pwede mo na i-diretsod dun sa washroom.
Yung pants? Yung pants?
Oh,
Bakit?
i-diretsod doon. Ba't i-wash mo naman yan?
May soap ba tayo? Kasi... Oh. Wow, I should get one.
You get one. Wait lang, post ko muna.
Soap. Or ano? Kumaya ko yun. Mga walang mancha.
Ang seryoso mo naman?
Ha?
Pwede kang seryoso?
Sorry na. Ganyan talaga pag naglalaba.
Chika-chika naman.
Okay, anong pwedeng i-check ako, guys? Guys, napanood niyo na ba yung bagong episode ng Idol Eye?
Idol eye pa din.
I'm so kilig. Kasi, basta, I don't wanna spoil it. Panoorin niyo, guys, makikilig talaga kayo.
Kikiligin mo.
Ay, kikiligin talaga kayo, guys.
English na lang.
You guys will be, ano yung, ha?
You'll be thrilled and, I don't know how to
You
say
will
kilig.
be, you will be,
Mesmerized?
Bakit ay, akala ko ay hanger. You guys will be amazed. Wow, amazed. Ay, bakit may mancha?
Nahawa yan.
Hala, may sakit yung
Oh,
nahawa. Grabe, ang dumi ng socks ko. Hope the washing machine gets the stain off. Ano pa kayang tita ko? Yung tita ko? I'm still thinking.
Saan lang anong pinagkabalahan mo?
Guys, it was my friend's birthday recently, in 22 and 24. And
Birthday ni Raya kahapon?
birthday ni Raya 24, yes. Sakto to?
Bumati ka naman.
Yeah, of course. Bakit ko naman hindi babati eh? Babatian. Babatian ba?
PM.
Ah! Why would I not greet her?
Hindi ko naman sinabi ngayon. Tinanong na kita kung bumati ka ba?
Do I turn this upside down? Ay,
Ayun.
upside down.
Akin na, tapos hindi sa'yo. Hindi.
Hindi, sa akin to.
Sa'yo talaga yan?
Yes. Yeah, sa akin. Because my birthday, 07 guys.
Yung birthday mo kalahati ng birthday ko.
My birthday is December and my mom's birthday is in January.
Yeah, dulo na.
Yeah,
First
it's
and
so
last month of the
it's so
year.
near yet so far.
Yeah.
Near, far,
Wherever
I believe
tayo mamaya?
Yeah, sure. Once more.
You open the door and you give my heart back. My heart will go on and on.
Galing. Ang galing namin guys, no?
I have a hearing tomorrow.
Good luck.
Thank you. Also on Tuesday.
Wait, imagine, there's this one, like, imagine idol I happened to you, like, di ba idol mo si Yan Generation, tapos meron siyang kaso, tapos
ako
ikaw
ang
yung
lawyer.
attorney na. Imagine,
Tapos malalaman niya may anak siya sa kanyang lawyer. Ano naman magiging kaso niya?
yeah, but what if he was convicted for something he didn't do? Tapos alam mo na, he will never do that.
Hindi pa naman convicted ang tawag doon at kapag hindi pa judge na.
So,
Accused pa lang, accused.
Accused. Adi, ano yung convicted?
Kapag na ano na siya, na-judge na-decide na siya talaga ang gumagawa ng crime.
Wow. Imagine kung based on a true story yung Idol Eye. Yeah.
Paglalaban ko siya, no?
Yeah. The bar of soap really does work. The bar of soap really does work.
Ayun na, medyo kaya na.
Yes. It was done like yesterday. Tapos nakita ko.
Simula na lumaki ang braso mo, oh. Lapis ka na kumain, eh.
Yeah.
Dapat kasama ka na mag-exercise. Ha?
Yeah. This is an exercise pag lalabada.
Hindi rin. Ang mga gawaing bahay is not considered exercise daw, eh.
What?
Yeah.
Why?
Hindi talaga.
For me, it is kasi, why not?
It's just an ordinary routine.
Ordinary routines can be exercise, right?
Iba pa din yung exercise. 10 minutes na, best.
10 minutes, huh? Grabe. Alright, see you guys in another
Episode.